Stream mobile games with EZCast CatchU. To set up, the ports we will be plugging into are the 5V2A power supply, UVC PC, and phone ports. Step 1. Plug in the power adapter. Step 2. Connect your PC for LiveStream from the UVC PC port to your computer. Step 3. Add a new video capture device source in your OBS Studio. Set up the video resolution as custom and video format as H.264. Step 4. For Android phone users, download Miraplug app first. Step 5. Connect your phone by original mobile phone USB cable into storage phone port. Step 6. Complete the phone settings. For Android phone users, allow connection in Miraplug app. For iPhone users, choose Trust when the device trust message pops up, and then it will start mirroring what you see on your phone in the OBS Studio. Step 7. Again, create a new video capture device source and find your IP camera. Now, you are able to start playing mobile games and stream live.